In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your ebook using your smartphone. Now, if you want to create your ebook and you don't have a laptop, I'm going to show you the step-by-step on how to use your smartphone to create your ebook. So join me in this tutorial. Now, before we dive in, if you are seeing my video for the first time, make sure that you follow me on this page so that anytime I drop videos like this, you'll be the first person to get the notification. Also help me to share this video for others to see this video. So to create your ebook with your smartphone, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to download the Microsoft Office on your phone. So if you don't have, go and download it from your Play Store. So you click on this plus sign, then you click on Word, Excel, PowerPoint. So it's going to bring you to this interface. Now there are different ways you can use it to create your write-up. You can use the blank document, which is this one, or you can use a template, already made a template, which is this one. You can use template, which is this one. But I want to show you how to create your ebook from scratch. So we're going to use a blank document. So the first thing we're going to do here is that we're going to input the title of the ebook that you want to create. You type in the title of the ebook here. You can make it to be bold. If you want to make it to be bold, you click on it, then you highlight the word that you want to make bold, then you click on this B sign below to make that word bold. If you want to change the color, you click on this place to change the color. I want to increase the size of the title, so click here to increase the size. Let's centralize it. You can click here to make it to be central. So you can scroll the timeline to see other features that you can make use of. So you scroll the timeline to any aspects that you want to make use of. So once we are done with the title of the book, the next thing we're going to input the author, the name of the author of the book. You click here to increase the size, so you can centralize it. Click here to centralize it. So once I'm done with the name of the author, then the next thing I can do is can start inputting the write-up of the book. Okay, so let's say that this is my write-up, so I can do more editing on the write-up. So for example, if I want to highlight any position, I want to make anything bold, I will just click on that thing. Maybe for example, I want to highlight this, I click on it, then I will highlight it, then I'll click on B to make it to be bold. If I want to add a link to any particular place, I will highlight that particular place. Maybe for example this CapCut. If I want to add a link to it, I will click on this to add a link to it. So I will add the link, maybe for example my website or Facebook. So once you are done adding typing the link of that you want to use, then you click on insert. So you can see that that particular write-up is showing a different color. So if somebody see, they will know that it's a link, and if they click on it, you take the paste to that particular link that you have inserted. If you want to add an image, you click on this to add an image to it. So you can adjust the image to any size of your choice. So once you are done creating your ebook, the next thing is for you to save your ebook. So to save your ebook, you click on these three dots, then you click on save as, then you can save it. You change the name, you rename, then you choose the place that you want to save it to. Document, save. So once you are finished saving your work, the next thing is for you to convert your Microsoft write-up to PDF. So to do that, you click on action, then you click on document to PDF, then you go and select that document that you want to convert to PDF. So this is the document that you want to convert to PDF, so you click on it, then to start converting your document to PDF. So after you have converted your document to PDF, so it has finished converting the document to PDF, so you can upload it to any platform of your choice. So this is how to create ebook with your smartphone. So in my next video, I'm going to show you how to create your ebook cover and how to upload it to any platform so that you can start selling your ebook. So if you got value from this video, make sure you like and share this video for other people to see this video. And also drop your comment in the comment section if you have any questions. And if you have not followed this page, make sure you follow this page so that anytime I drop videos like this, you'll be the first person to get the notification.